do the kind of science that we were looking at with Curiosity, to be informed by what Curiosity discovers over the next few months, because we're really getting into that discovery phase. But also, I think through the Mars Exploration Program Analysis Group and other areas, there's more science than we could imagine with Curiosity, and so I assume that will get fed forward. Plus, we have the NRC statement and the Mars Program Planning Group validating that, that we need to make progress on sample return. And so sample handling, whether caching, we have to have those discussions and move forward on all of those. We're going to put together an STT. I think I've talked about all of these things, and an announcement of opportunity. And we very much are interested in international collaboration. As you can see, that map that I showed on the previous slide, everything was collaborative internationally. I spoke with my counterpart, Dr. Alvaro Jimenez, today, and he's very excited about this opportunity to participate in a Mars program that's much bigger than the U.S. program alone. I think I've already talked to this, but one of my views is that we have a tighter synergy. That doesn't mean we're combining budgets or science money. I'm very protective of science money. The stovepipes of budgets, which is the accounting, is sometimes very useful, and I hope you appreciate that I'm protective about it. But in the aggregate, we're all much more successful when we cooperate, especially in tight fiscal times. Mars is an important destination for human spaceflight, without a doubt, and the work that we're doing is a great precursor to that. And when we get scientists on the surface, I think we'll all be very appreciative. But it also means that we're not going to get human spaceflight money transferred into us. We do need to look at the technologies, at the possible synergies that we have, and continue to collaborate on those. One thing that the AGU brings out in droves is the interdisciplinary nature of all that we do. And this is a picture that Neil Reed put together at Space Telescope Science Institute and Hopkins that I really like, because it shows, you could pick any individual discipline, earth science, and draw pictures like this of all the interdependencies. But I really am driven by this question of, are we alone in the universe? And it's a great question for astrophysics. It's a great question in terms of habitability on Earth and our future. And I think meetings like the AGU really bring us all together, the opportunity to talk across disciplines, to learn new things. So I'm thrilled to be here, and thrilled to make this announcement today. So thank you very much. So with that, I'll just challenge us. Discoveries don't just happen. We make them happen. We need to create the future that we want to see. And, I could say we're NASA and we know it, but I'll say that's how NASA changes the world. So with that, I'll open the floor to questions.